All this in just Serum. You don't really need anything else. I'm gonna go to basic shapes, and you have two options on how you can use acid. You can use the saw, or you can use the square. Both of them can create really good acids or different scenarios. How do we make acids? Well, first of all, you turn on the filter, put the resonance up, lower the filter here. Now this sound, as the filter moves, that's the acid. If you use the other waveform, that gives you more metallic sound. So let's go back to this one. If I want this to move, I have two options. Either I will just change this to free, so it just doesn't do anything. It's just gonna work and open up as it goes. Or my second option, what I can do is to use an envelope, so it opens up with every time I push it. Depending on how you set it up, it's gonna respond. And then you can do the other thing where you just do the same thing like this. You just don't want it to be like too crazy. So it changes the color. So you have one that changes what happens to the filter right away. Then you have the second one that happens here. Now we're gonna focus on the first one. The more you do, the more resonance. And you can go really crazy there. Now, in order to make this sound more acid-like, like the modern acid, you go to the effects, and over here you have distortion. Distortion just turns it into acid right away. And you can hear where it sounds acid, when it's a little bit lower. Probably need to go a little bit higher. So you literally have to like find where it sounds good to you. Then what you can try instead of tube is to use the overdrive. That can go like really mental. Now with one low octave. And you can hear that it doesn't respond same on each filter. When it's too open, it just sounds like normal sound, like. And this is with a lot of resonance. So this is like when you're using the high pass filter, but you can do something better and you can try the band filter, which does this weird shit. Really, it's... This way you can play with it and create some crazy assets. What you can also do is to turn another one, turn the volume down, and just try one of these modes. Like first I would maybe try the PD from B, just to have a different sounding asset. FM is also an option if you want to be crazy. Band with 12 dB per octave actually sounds a little better. Now again, we're using now the overdrive on free stack. So you can go really nasty. So let's stick with 2. We can make some safe rhythm for ourselves. Something like maybe we're gonna go to proper BPM. And then maybe we can go sort of like this. And we just loop it. So we have that sound. Now, depending on what you do now here with the filter, it's gonna determine what's gonna happen with the sound itself. So if I go 116 here and do this, So we are automating the character of the sound. I don't want to go too crazy here. It's better to play with the resonance. It just sounds better. So let's say we want these longer notes to be the high ones, and these ones we just want to have them like this. Let's open up the filter a little. It's the resonance that just give it that accent sound. You can make it stereo. All you want to do is just less detune. You can hear that we have some phasing issues, so we're gonna use the other oscillator, put it to the same octave, and now we're gonna just remove this randomness, one voice, and I'm gonna change the phase. What am I doing wrong? Forgot about this one. The thing is, now you can pan this one, let's say -10, and this one +10. And you can change the color by moving the phase in between these two waves. What you can do also is you can come over here and you can do like alternate varp, like mirror or same. This one is actually good. Let's play with it a little bit more. Now we have this filter on, which we didn't use yet. We're gonna try like build it up. So let's make steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Not liking it? Yeah, that's too much. You can hear that it's very sensitive. So this is what we can do. And with this, we're just gonna go down as we go up with the resonance. So let's say that we like this. Now, of course, you can still modify it. Let's go to the effects. And now let's play with equalizer when the acid hits. So what we can do is to add gain to the high end. Shift option click to start LFO from the center. Every time it hits, it's just gonna open up. So that impact of that acid is a little bit tougher. And you can choose even the frequency. Also very helpful. We can also add the Bode effect just to give it a little bit more modern sound. Or you can turn it into robotic sounding by increasing the feed and putting this like 21 milliseconds. It's fucking insane what you can do here. So you can have a sound like no one else. And when you add a delay to it, it's going to appear even more stereo. Just a simple one. And then what you can do, add another filter on top here. And you can choose some comp filter. Try the comp plus. Now you have sound like no one else. Then to make it like stand out from the rest of the people, use the multiband compression. Now you have a completely different asset towards anyone else. Now, of course, all these values that we did here, we did them manually. So what we can do instead, come over here and you can create like steps right there. So you push shift and you do like these weird steps or whatever, and you assign that to the resonance. You want to choose 1 bar because it's 1 bar long. So 1 bar and 3. Let's go crazier so we can actually hear what's happening. Shift. And same with the filter. Let's add the filter there as well, but tiny little bit. So now it's up to you, how you set it up along the way so it gives you that rhythm that you're looking for. You have the sound. When you need to change it, you change it. This fucking sounds crazy. So let me just turn all of these off because I want to use this two only. Remember, we can still use these warp modes. Let's say this one, and I'm just gonna go PD from C. Why is it not doing anything? Let's try amplitude modulation. I think I'm doing something wrong because from A. I'm so stupid. So what it does now, it follows the wave and changes the volume. So if I do this, then of course you have the ring modulation. So we toughen up the sound a little. Sort of like adding a little bass to it because of the sine wave. Now here you can choose pre or post, and I really like to use the post because it just colors the sound so well. But you go the other way around, even more interesting sounds. Let's do more stack. I think the pre in this one just works a little better. And you can then just go crazy. All this in just Serum. You don't really need anything else. And then of course you add some reverb. You can use the plate, just put the width all the way, put the low and a little bit lower. Let's put these on. You can also bypass this. You actually also have some predefined shapes that you can use. Like, let's try this transform 2. Of course, you can use some other shapes that you can load in, and I'm pretty sure that there are some shapes that you can just download online and use them. So let's put this on here. 1 bar. Of course, you can use different filter modes, but my favorite one would probably be the high-pass filter. Let me bypass this for a second. Now, of course, a professional producer, you would do all of this manually, and it's all about how you position these in time. It's all about that. Nothing else. You can go crazier, you can go less crazy. Yeah, but it takes time to get a good riff. You can't just do it like right away. Of course, if you wanna, you can try some different kinds of distortion. So you can turn this on off, just like that. And then you have the guitar rig, right? So you can use guitar rig. You have to turn off the reverb and the delay because you want this to get to the sound right after it's dry. There was something said acid, red acid. Atmo rotator. Woo! So it's just trying to find the one that you like. What we created here is just fucking crazy, right? Even this would have been enough. I would just probably just increase the high end here and just go like... Other thing that you can try to do is just turn on distortion inside Serum and see what's gonna do. That's a sick sound.